नमस्कार। आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे इस YouTube चैनल ग्रैंड गौरव पे। और आज हम लोग जिस टॉपिक को लेकर के बात करेंगे वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है इंडस्ट्री के लिए। और बहुत सारे कोर्सेज बीटेक, एमबीए, बीबीए, एमसीए और बहुत सारे प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज में भी ये टॉपिक बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्रूशियल है। तो टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट आज का हमारा टॉपिक है और आज के टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट को बेसिकली फोकस्ड सेंस में मैंने प्रिपेयर करा है। ये बीटेक के इंडस्ट्रियल मैनेजमेंट जो पेपर है इससे रिलेटेड है और उसी के रेफरेंस में आज हम लोग बात करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट के अपने इस टॉपिक को, जिसमें हम आज टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट में दो चीजों पर फोकस करके चले हैं। पहली चीज दैट इज इंट्रोडक्शन टू टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट कि टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट क्या है, and another part which I will be discussing is the elements of total quality management. So let us start and let us understand what the concept of total quality management says. See, as you can see on the slide, there are some of the points which have been given, and we will discuss each and every point in a systematic way. But before we begin, let us see the concept of total quality management from where it came. Basically, total quality management is the concept which came from Japan, and most importantly, you have to understand that Japanese people are very much bothered and very much focused about their quality concerns. So after independence, there was a quick and rapid growth in almost all the regions of the world. And no doubt, Japan was one of the example that created a great jump in the field of industry. But they took quality concerns as a serious matter, and that is why they tried to develop the concept total quality management. So total quality management is the basic concept which has been contributed by Japan to the world. But basically, here we have to understand what is total quality management and what are the elements which are included in total quality management. So let us take the first point. What it says total quality management is an approach that seeks to improve quality and performance which will meet or exceed customers' expectations. See, whenever we are buying any kind of product or any kind of service, what we focus on to the level of satisfaction that we are getting from that product, and that level of satisfaction comes from the quality which the product has or which the product is containing. So if I'm talking about total quality management, it is just an approach. It is just an approach of improvement. It is just an approach of enhancement of quality, enhancement of potentials, uh, and enhancement of performance, which leads to the satisfaction. You can say the customer's expectation may be meet, the level of satisfaction may be increased based on the quality. So what the quality management is all about, we can see that it ensures the quality, it enhances the quality, it creates the quality, it maintains the quality, right? Another point, anything where we are trying to integrate quality related functions, all those functions are the part of total quality management. Now total quality management looks at overall quality measures. You can understand that what I earlier said, that it is responsible for creating, maintaining, it is responsible for quality control, it is responsible for quality assurance and improvement in the line of product design, in the line of product quality, in the line of product enhancement in the line of price and whatever concern we can understand. But we have to ensure that each and everything that a customer or consumer is using must have some kind of satisfaction, and that satisfaction must bring to the notice that there must be some quality concerns, right? So we can say that quality management basically takes account all quality measures which are taken at different levels of production, different levels of company, uh, whether the whether the insurance is made by the employees or workers or the organization, or as per the quality standards. But yes, total quality के अंदर we can talk about so many things. Another part which is also there, that for total quality management says that it is a continuous process improvement. Like continuously we have to focus on different parameters of production, different standards of production, different level of product, different level of material, different level of methods and techniques, just to ensure that the product which we are producing is the quality product. Now we can also take very much concern of the fact that if we are talking about total quality management, it is a process concern. It is primarily a process concern where we are trying to optimize and redesign the process, redesign the techniques and methods which may bring quality to each and every product that the organization is producing. And we can say when Japanese people gave the concept, basically the concept is not a principle or a standard one. It is a kind of philosophy which is applied equally in almost all parts of the organization. So everywhere in in consideration to quality management, we can see each and every, the smaller activity, the larger activity, the expanded activity, all those activities, methods, systems, and everything across organizations. If we are trying to improve, if we are trying to enhance, if we are trying to give an edge, that is a part of quality. That is why we can say that total quality management can be viewed as an extension of traditional approach to quality. See, we need to understand traditional approach of production or traditional approach of process of industry used to have the idea that the product or service must be produced and it should be provided to the customer for consumption. That's all. But in terms of quality, when we are talking about quality, it is the modern and very advanced approach where we are much more uh, concerned taking quality into consideration, right? So in in uh, in addition to that, I want to say that total quality management is the modern product management process in terms where we are talking about traditional approach. So it is entirely different from traditional approach, like only making and providing for the consumption is another thing, but making and providing the customers and checking each and every parameter which creates satisfaction, which enhances the quality, is another thing that the quality management is concerned about. Total quality management places the customer at the forefront because we say that customer is a god. Customer is a god. Why we are saying that all the activities are generated from the customer, operated from the customer, and obviously uh, destroyed by the customer if they are not bothered, and they are not paying so much attention. So in terms of quality, there are a number of decisions that we have to take in consideration to customers. Like we have to create customers satisfaction, in terms of products quality and service, right? And one more thing which is also there, great emphasis on the role and responsibility of every member of staff within an organization to influence quality. See, quality concerns are not the individual concerns that the individual organization or individual group has to maintain or create the quality, but apart from that, it is the whole sole responsibility of each and every person working in the organization that he or she has to ensure quality. uh, they have to engage themselves in research and development. They have to engage themselves in getting feedback to know that what are the different parameters on which uh, we can ensure the quality of the product, right? So based on all these points, we can say that total quality management is the overall quality concern. It is not only associated with the product, but it is also associated with the service. It is also associated with the process, method, tools, techniques, individuals, each and everything, each and every resource that is being utilized in the organization that concerns quality is the part of total quality management. Now, let us move on the elements of total quality management. What are the different elements of total quality management? When we talk about different elements of total quality management, they are the constituting element of total quality management. Like you can understand that if you want to manage quality in totality, then you need to understand what are the different factors which affect them. So here elements of total quality management are there, where on the first point you are observing leadership. uh, Different level of leadership creates the base, creates the foundation of total quality management. Like if leadership is initiating in the quality concerns, they have their greater vision, they have their planning, they have their support, and each and everything which is initiated and which is uh, which is uh, made possible on the ground of organization for ensuring quality in the product or service or in the process, that is possible due to the top management's approach. So if the top management has the leadership approach, obviously they will uh, go uh, a long way on the quality management parameters, right? So equally, we can also understand that leadership, vision, planning, and support of the top management is not enough, but it requires much more things which are there. So in that point, we can also add employees involvement, that is of greater part. We can see that it is just the just to ensure the participation of employees in activities which are related to quality. So all employees assume responsibility for the quality of their work, and each and every employee, if they perform their duties in a well manner, then it is a natural phenomena that they will create a quality concern. Another thing which is very important element of total quality management, that is product or process excellence. The more excellent or the more standard product or process we are having, we are creating a kind of quality in terms of continuous improvement. So we need to understand that total quality management is what? Total quality management is generally the continuous process improvement. And if we are focusing on continuous process improvement, there must uh, come the process excellence or the product excellence on which we are working, right? Continuous improvement, another thing which is very crucial, and we have discussed this earlier. A customer's focus, that must be fitness for use. Fitness for use is a design quality. When we are talking about the quality concerns, it is not only the uh, judging of only the satisfaction as per the customers use, but also uh, so many things are involved, and in that there is one thing, that is design quality. If the product is designed in a systematic and specific way, it will give an edge to the competitors, and obviously it will create a good impact on customers. So customer always focus for the fitness of use, like they are having different products, they are having different services, they are having different kinds of providers which is there by the uh, by the employer, by the producer. At that point of time, the customer focuses on for how on quality concern the product is very useful for them. So obviously fitness for use is the design quality matter. There are some specific characteristics of a product that determine its value in marketplace. So conformance of quality, like you have to ensure you are confirming that this is the level of quality and this is the level of parameter on which you are providing the product, that will be a greater benefit to the organization as well. And last point in the element that is more important, the degree to which a product meets its design specification. The number of designs, the level of design, the the cutting, the edging, the different scenarios of design specification will lead to give the total quality in the concern, that total quality management, right? We can also understand the total quality management. If we want to ensure the total quality, then it is obvious, or it is the common phenomena, that we have to work on specific design, because in general design, if you are using some kind of product, uh, you may not be having so much of satisfaction. But if you have the edge, if you have the different or a specific design of a certain product, that specific design and its degree will obviously give the total quality. So uh, it was all total quality management. Thank you all from my side. If you have any query or any concern, you can also uh, post your question. You can also post your comments. It is desirable and valuable for me for making the lecture more and more effective and more useful to you. But before I conclude, I would request you all that you please like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any kind of feedback which is required, which you feel at your part, it is most welcome. Thank you. Thank you all.